Medyo tame lang tayo ah. There are ones, there wants to be some share. Despite my own world, thank you. We're all about then you came. You brought me out of the shell. Gave the world to me before right. Thank you. So in love with you. Hello, Musta. Okay ka lang? You give me a reason for my being. What I'm feeling. Okay lang yan. You give me a meaning to my life. Years ago, thank you, existing. Then it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair. Ilan taon ka na nga ulit? 16. Okay, let's go back then. Ang babata! Baka umano tayo dito. MTRCB. Ilan taon ka na ulit? 13. 13, okay. And took all my cares away where they can bother us. Sino kasama mo ulit? Si mama mo, andyan? Ano pangalan ng mama mo?
Jovelyn po.
Hello po, Mami Jovelyn. Your reason for my being and the love of what I feel. Sumuko na siya. Thank you. Thank you guys. Tara, hatid ko kayo. Meaning to my life, years have gone beyond existence. Then it all be siya. Tapos na yung kanta eh. Then it all be. O, hindi ka. Tapusin natin. You give me a meaning to my life. Years have gone beyond existence. Let it all begin. Let it all begin. Ilan taon ka na?
19 po.
Oh, 19!